Zooming with science. Make your own balloon car. Did you know? You can make a cool car that runs on air right at home. Here's how. First, gather your materials. You'll need some cardboard, straws, bottle caps, tape, and a balloon. Second, build your car. Cut out a small rectangle from the cardboard to make the body of your car. Attach the bottle caps to the bottom corners of the cardboard to make wheels. Then, tape the straws onto the sides of the car to make axles for the wheels. Third, add the balloon. Tape the opening of the balloon onto the back of the car. Make sure it's sealed tight so no air can escape. Fourth, ready, set, go. Inflate the balloon by blowing air into it, then pinch the opening shut. Place your car on a smooth surface, and when you're ready, let go of the balloon. Watch as the air rushes out of the balloon, propelling your car forward. This simple experiment teaches us about the power of air and how it can be used to make things move. So, grab your materials and get ready to race with your homemade balloon-powered car.
Things move when forces like push and pull make them go. By doing fun physics experiments, kids can learn how motion and speed work, from rolling cars to flying balloons. It's science in action that makes learning fast, fun, and full of energy. Science experiments can help us understand how cars, planes, and rockets work. The answer is true. That's how engineers and scientists learn to make things move better. When we explore motion and speed, we learn how pushes, pulls, and energy make things zoom and fly. You can make a simple rocket with just a balloon, straw, and string. That's physics. Fun fact: roller coasters use gravity and motion to make the ride exciting.